Hello guys. Today's topic is soft makeup. Nowadays everyone wants to look attractive, but don't want to do heavy makeup. Today I am sharing some tips and tutorials to do simple soft makeup and look aesthetic. Before doing any makeup, first thing we have to do is CTM. That is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Here is a simple video to do CTM.
Hey guys, today I'll be sharing a simple and easy CTM routine for all skin types. So I'm gonna start off by using this face wash to get rid of all the dirt and sweat from my face. The next step is toner. I'm gonna use a rose water right here because it works amazing as a toner. And the last step is to moisturize. It makes sure that your skin is hydrated and moisturized.
Next is makeup. We often wants to do simple, but attractive, aesthetic makeup. Here is a viral soft makeup using a single lipstick. Applying eyeliner on your eyes gives your eyes classy appearance. Here is a simple eyeliner tutorial. Some simple hairstyle tutorials.
A lot of you have been asking for a tutorial on how to do a big French braid, so here we go. I did this on straight hair since it's a little easier to see. And you'll start by just grabbing a small portion of hair near the center top of your head. You'll want to split this section into 3 different pieces, like any braid. It's a little hard to tell, but I did separate it into 3 different pieces, and then I started off by crossing the left piece over the middle, and then the right piece over the middle. Then I go back to my new left piece, I drop that strand, and I add some hair into it. Once I add that hair into that strand, I braid it over the middle again, and then I do the same thing on the right strand. So I drop the right strand, I add hair into the right strand, and then I cross it over the middle piece. All you're doing is braiding like normal, but you're adding hair into each strand when you braid. So once again, I'm going to add hair into the left strand, and then cross it over the middle strand to braid it, and then I'll just repeat the process on the other side too. That means I'm dropping the right strand, adding hair into that strand, and then crossing it over the middle. That's all that French braiding is adding hair into each strand every time. Once you get the pattern down, it'll get a lot easier. It's really just about remembering what your hands are doing and just practice, practice, practice. By the time you get to the nape of your neck, you'll want to have added all of the hair into the braid so you can finish off by just braiding it normally. Once you get to the desired length, you can just tie it off with a hair tie, and you can also fluff it out if you wish. But that is all there is to it.